sweetie.
Dude, she's totally into you. The smiley face, that's a dead giveaway.
He puts a smiley face on every single bill.
I've seen it done a million times. Under service remarks, you put your phone number. And then you just maybe, I don't know, put a little quick little note. Something cute. Girls love it. Should do it.
All right, I'll do it.
I gotta go. Thank you for the surf and turf dinner, my man.
You're welcome.
Dear waitress, I've never done this before, but maybe we could
Get together sometime. You seem like a really interesting person, and I'd like to know all about you. Who you are, who you've been, where you come from, where you're going. I wonder where you live. I'd like to be in there, like a little mouse, crawling around. You wouldn't even see me. Hope you don't have a cat, ha ha ha. Did I mention that I one time saw a ghost? It was you. How is that possible, you're wondering, since you're still alive? Let's say you die tomorrow. Have you ever wondered why the ground is where it is and not someplace else? I guess what I'm talking about is a kind of dark sexual magic. Carefully pinning your delicate butterfly wings back before I apply the rubbing alcohol, gently, like a stag's foot, entering into a leather pump. The two of us could make a beautiful creature that doesn't exist on this planet, not even in dreams. And it wouldn't be a baby. It wouldn't come out of our bodies. It would be something new, something beautiful, because it would be you and me, and it would last forever and ever and ever and ever. Daryl.
Hey! I have a break in 5 minutes.